Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Monica, and along with some of your favorite chefs, we are bringing you a new tasty and healthy recipe for every school day. Today we are making mixed veg canapes. These have a variety of vegetables in them and are an excellent way to sneak in vegetables in your kids' diet. So चलो देखें कैसे बनाएं. हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. The first step in making those mixed veg canapes is to bake our canapé cups. Fairly simple. Take a muffin mold, a slice of bread, set it in your container, and we'll bake it for about 5 to 7 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. I'll put this for baking. While our cups are baking, let's assemble the filling. A little bit of oil. Let's add the vegetables. Some zucchini. Both green and yellow. Vegetables are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals for your children. Chopped broccoli. Baby corn. And some asparagus. Carrot. And some sprouts for the protein. Time to add some spices, some salt, pepper, and some Kissan Tomato Ketchup. Kissan Tomato Ketchup adds a beautiful color to the recipe and also acts as a binding agent. I'm finishing this with some parsley and basil. And my filling is ready. My cups would also be ready by now. Time to assemble. And here, our cups are ready. I'll first line this with lettuce. And fill it up with the mixed veg filling we have made. A little bit of cheese on top. And that's it. Time to pack our dabba. Some mixed raisins. And Khakhra. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back to show you कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.